Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, and front-facing park sensors. Over at this side, we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. We also have black mirror caps and chrome door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful moonroof. At the rear, we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera as well as a power liftgate. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, memory seating for the driver, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our power liftgate button, as well as our power sliding door controls. We also have our automatic headlamp dial, and located on the left-hand side of our steering wheel, we have our entertainment and media controls, as well as our hands-free controls. And over at the right, we have our cruise control settings. Up above, we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have a beautiful moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful gray leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 195,424 kilometers on this beautiful Honda Odyssey. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD display, where the driver can view the display of our rear view camera as well as our navigation system. Down below, we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We also have our entertainment and media controls, which includes AM/FM radio, as well as satellite radio, and a CD player. We have our console gear shift lever, as well as dual cup holders and a center console that provides tons of storage with 2 more cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy power door options as well as power windows. And our 35-30-35 arrangement leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy, while offering multiple access points to our third row seating. Our third row provides seating for 3 more passengers, making this a total of 8 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Honda Odyssey, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.